BrightPay's Payroll Journal feature allows users to create wage journals from the finalised payslips and upload into the FreshBooks package using API. Within Payroll, select Journal on the menu toolbar, followed by FreshBooks. Set your date range. The journal will include records for all payslips, across all pay frequencies, with a pay date within the selected range. Under Rollup, select whether you would like the journal to include individual records for each employee, or whether to merge the records for each unique date. Click Continue. Sign into your FreshBooks account if prompted to do so. Your nominal ledger codes will now be retrieved from FreshBooks. Simply map each payroll data item to the relevant nominal account code. A nominal account code can be used for multiple items. When ready to proceed, click Continue. Nominal ledger mapping variations allows you to specify any circumstances for which amounts should be mapped to an alternate nominal account code. For each payroll data item you wish to add a variation for, click Add Variation. For the payroll data item selected, set the rules to apply in order for the amount to be mapped to the designated nominal account you enter on this screen. Rules can be set according to period type, directorship, department, and specific pay item. For example, you wish the salaries of all directors to be mapped to the same nominal account within your accounting software. Your rules will be set as shown on screen. Click Save when complete. Your rule will now be displayed on screen under the payroll data item it is associated with. Once variations have been set, these can be edited, deleted, or reordered by clicking the spanner symbol next to it. Also, clicking the nominal account information displayed in green provides quick access to the rules that have been set. Further variations can be added for different pay items or for the same payroll data item by simply clicking Add Variation again and setting the rules to apply. When you have finished creating your variations, click Continue. Your journal will now be displayed on screen for review. Simply click the Back button to make any amendments. When you are ready to upload your journal, click Send to FreshBooks. A confirmation will be displayed on screen to confirm successful upload into your FreshBooks account. If you want to print, email, or export a copy of your journal as a PDF, press Print. To close the journal screen, simply click the cross at the top right of this screen. If you have made any changes to the journal, you'll be asked if you wish to save your changes. Click Yes or No as required.